Good morning, everyone. I am your reporter today. I will discuss to you the uncertain future of robots in American industry. The uncertain future of robots in American industry means that while robots can bring progress and efficiency, their increasing presence also raises serious questions about employment, fairness, and human values. The outcomes will depend on how well society manages this technological change. Yes. Okay, let's continue to our next slide. Our next slide is like, what are some of the drawbacks of using robots in American industry? Like, I have an example for this slide. Here's the example. The example is job loss for workers, high cost of installation and maintenance, lack of flexibility, cybersecurity risks, dependence on technology, and the job loss for workers is one of the biggest concerns is that robots can replace human workers, especially in manufacturing warehouses and service industries. This leads to unemployment or the need for workers to learn new skills to stay employed. And the high cost installation and maintenance. High cost installation and maintenance. Robots are expensive to buy, install, and maintain. Small businesses may not be able to afford them, and even large companies need to spend money, upgrades, and repairs. Lack of flexibility. Unlike humans, robots can only do tasks they are programmed for. When a job changes or requires creativity and problem solving, robots can't easily adapt. Cyber risks. As industries become more automated and connected through the internet, and systems are at risk of hacking or malfunctioning, which can stop production or cause safety problems. And the last is dependence on technology. Dependence and technology. Relying too heavily on robots can make industries vulnerable if system fails, or if there are shortage in parts or skilled technicians to repair them. Okay, let's continue to our last slide. Okay, our last slide is the topic is the expense of producing robots, the lack of qualified personnel and service, men and the moral problems of replacing workers with them all cloud the future of robots in American industry. An explanation for this slide is like the lack of qualified personnel and service technicians also poses a challenge. Robots need skills, engineers, programmers, and maintenance workers to operate and repair them. Since there aren't enough trained people in these fields, companies may struggle to keep robots running efficiently. Finally, finally, the moral problem of replacing human workers creates social and ethical concerns as robots takes over tasks once by done by people may people may workers lost their jobs or feel their work is less valued. So that's all my report for today, guys. Thank you for listening and watching. Thank you. And to our lovely teacher, Sir Jeremy Ojas, thank you.